Hi, welcome to CAD, CAM and more. Today, during creating this candlestick, I will show you how to create revolve and sweep features and also how to create an extruded cut feature with draft angle. First of all, create a new part document. Then go to the features tab and click on revolve bus base. Then select front plane and use line tool to draw 3 lines as you can see in the video. Now use Smart Dimensions tool to add dimensions to these 3 lines. This one is 220 millimeters. Next line is 20 millimeters. And the third line is 90 millimeters. Now in the sketch toolbar, select tangent arc. Click the end point of this line and start drawing your arc. It should be 180 degrees and its radius should be approximately 10 millimeters. After drawing the arc, you can set its radius by using Smart Dimension tool to exact value of 10 millimeters. For the next step, draw a vertical line with a length of approximately 150 millimeters. Then select 3-point arc tool from the sketch toolbar. Sketch an arc so that the arc center point and arc endpoints are coincident with the vertical line. It should be approximately 180 degrees and its radius should be approximately 20 millimeters. You can set the exact values in the Property Manager window. Okay, now on the Sketch toolbar, select Trim Entities tool. And in the Property Manager, under Options, select Trim to Closest. Then delete this segment of line by clicking on it. By using Smart Dimension, add some dimensions to the sketch. This line is 40 millimeters. Then click on the Select in the Standard toolbar and select these two vertical lines. First select one line, hold Ctrl key and then select the second one, and then in the Property Manager under Add Relations, select Equal. This ensures that both vertical lines will maintain equal length. Now select Tangent Arc tool and draw an arc starting from endpoint of this vertical line. Then sketch another tangent arc here. Now to have a more clear view, go to the View menu. Under Height Show, click on Sketch Relations to hide sketch relations. And then using Smart Dimension tool, dimension the rest of the sketch. And when your sketch is fully defined, click Exit Sketch to go back to the Revolve Bus Space tool. For the axis of revolution, select this vertical line here, set the direction to blind, and 360 degrees for the angle of direction. Don't forget to save your work. Next, I'm going to create the candlestick handle by using a sweep. A sweep is a base, boss, or cut created by moving a section along a path. First, I will create the path. The path can be an open curve or a closed, non-intersecting curve. But you should remember that neither the path nor the resulting sweep can be self-intersecting. Okay, select front plane. Then select hidden lines removed view. And then go to the view toolbar. Under height show, select temporary axis to make temporary axis appear. Then go to the sketch menu and click sketch and draw a line. By help of the smart dimension tool, make the line's length 60 millimeters. Then right click in the graphic area and select recent commands and tangent arc. Draw an arc with the radius of 150 millimeters. As always, you can set the exact value of the radius in the property manager. Then use Smart Dimensions tool to add this dimension here. It's 65 millimeters. Now right click in the graphic area again. And under recent commands, select tangent arc. Alternatively, you can use tangent arc from the sketch toolbar. Draw an arc with the radius of approximately 20 millimeters, and by using smart dimension tool, set its exact radius value. Now click select in the standard toolbar, then hold down Ctrl key and select both ends of the arc. In the property manager under add relation, add a horizontal relation to the endpoints of the arc. If you select display delete relations in the sketch toolbar, you can see a list of all relations in your sketch. It's a good tool for checking your relations in the sketch. Okay, now using smart dimension tool, add another dimension to your sketch to place it in the proper position. Set the distance between the horizontal line of the sweep path and the bottom edge of the revolved feature to 10 millimeters. As you can see, all lines of the sketch are not black, so the sketch is not fully defined, so I will add another dimension to the sketch to make it fully defined. Now save your work and then click Exit Sketch. Next, we are going to sketch the sweep section. First, select right plane, then click on Sketch. Make sure your view is normal to the right plane. Then select Ellipse tool from the Sketch toolbar and draw an ellipse. use select tool and then select these endpoints of the ellipse and add horizontal relation to these endpoints. Then using smart dimension tool, dimension the ellipse as I will show you in the video. When you are done, go to the isometric view from the standard views toolbar. Now hold down Ctrl key and select center point of the ellipse and the end point of the horizontal line of the sweep path and add coincident relation to these 2 points and then exit sketch. Now go to the view menu, hide show and unselect temporary axes. Then go to the features tab and select sweep bus base tool. By using this tool, we will combine the sweep path and sweep section sketches to create the sweep. In the property manager of the tool, select the ellipse for the profile and the path that you sketched before for the path. Make sure that under options, follow path is selected as the profile orientation. And then click OK. Okay, now change your view to the shaded with edges and the candlestick's handle is complete. The final step is to create a cut in our candlestick to hold a candle. Select top face of the part and then select extruded cut tool. Change your view to the normal view of the face that you have selected and draw a circle with the radius of 15 millimeters. And then exit sketch. To have a better view, go to the isometric view and in the property manager of the tool, set the direction 1 to blind, set its depth to 25 millimeters and then click on draft icon and set draft angle to 15 degrees. And when you are done, click OK. To help you to see the angled cut, I show you how to make the part transparent. At the top of the Feature Manager design tree to the right of the tabs, click Show Display Pane. Move the pointer over the stick at the top of the Feature Manager design tree and then cross into the transparency column. Then click in the column to make your part transparent. And you can click there again to return the part to its original appearance. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel to see my other videos.